ठीक है, फिर तो ठीक है। अगर हमें ये चाहिए तो इसके हमेशा एग्जिस्ट कर रहा है दिस इट्स प्री इमेज विच वी।
यस सर, यस सर,
ठीक,
ये था।
ओके ओके, फिर ये बिल्कुल ठीक है। ठीक है, तो केस टू भी आप कुछ कोई भी ऐसा नंबर ले सकते हैं जिसकी प्री इमेज हो। सो केस टू के लिए क्या लिया है आपने?
सर 2n।
ओके ओके, F2n, ऐसे ही कुछ।
यस सर।
सो दिस विल गिव यू 2n/2 विच इज इक्वल टू n।
नहीं नहीं सर, 4n लिया था, 4n लिया था।
फोर,
2n जिसमें आ रहा था,
अच्छा
टू
अच्छा,
एन
4n लिया है ना। 4n इज इक्वल टू दिस विल गिव यू 2n, बिल्कुल ठीक है। तो आपने यहाँ क्या दिया दैट 2n, 2n इज एन इवन नंबर।
यस सर।
इवन, हाँ अब ठीक है, क्योंकि 2n अगर इवन लिए तो हमेशा एक एग्जिस्ट कर रहा है उसके लिए इवन नंबर, प्री इमेज है उसके। नाउ इट इज गुड।
ओके सर, यस सर, यही था।
ठीक है फिर, ठीक है। ओके ठीक है मैत्री, फिर नेक्स्ट वीक हम कंटिन्यू करते हैं। ठीक है, असाइनमेंट इस वीक आपसे शेयर करते हैं।
ओके सर, थैंक यू सर।
ओके ओके, वेलकम। Hello, all of you. My voice is audible. Abdullah, Ikhra, Yusra, my voice is audible. I'm sorry. Now you can unmute yourself.
Good evening, sir. Yes,
Uh,
sir.
Good evening. Okay. Ikhra and sorry, Abdullah and Yusra, my voice is audible.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Abdullah, you can reply me on the chat box if you have, if you can listen me. Okay. So Ikhra and Yusra, any doubt in linear inequation?
No, sir.
No,
Okay.
sir.
Okay. So do you have completed all the word problems of miscellaneous?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay. Good. Yusra, any doubt in word problems?
Yes, sir. No, sir. Miscellaneous word problems
Okay. Okay. Okay.
are
Very good.
completed.
So Abdullah, I'm not sure that you were present in the last class or not, but do you have any doubt in linear inequation? You can reply me on the chat box if you have any mic issue. Uh, if you're not multiplying, then I will take it as no. So then we will start a last topic, the graph. Okay. So just give me a minute. Okay. So we have already started the graph. Okay. So do you have completed the second exercise? Yusra and Ikhra, any doubt in the graph?
No, sir.
No. Okay. Then in the previous classes, we have started the graph. Okay. So if you have any doubt, anyone have any doubt, then please let me know. In the graph, we have just draw a graph of a single inequation. Okay. Now we need to draw the graph simultaneously of all the inequation on the same graph. So we will start with this question. In this question, we have 4 inequations. Okay. So we will start with the first one, region represented, region represented by 3x plus 4y is less than equal to 12. Okay. So first of all, we will check the graph of this one, region represented by 3x plus 4y less than equal to 12. So what we have discussed in the previous classes about the graph, how we need to draw the graph. I'm sorry, just give me a minute. Yeah. So how we need to draw this graph. First of all, we will write the equation. Okay, we will write this equation 3x plus 4y is equal to 12. Then as you have done in your class 10th, we will do like this. This is x and this is y. When x is 0, what is y? When we put x 0 over here, what is y? Yusra, what's the answer? Yusra, what's the answer of this?
So 8.
Y is 3. Please put 0 over here. You will get Y3. Okay.
Oh, yes, sir.
Okay. And when you will put Y0, then X is what?
4.
When X is 4.
Oh,
Now we will draw the graph of this. So this is 0. This is 1. This is 2. This is 3, 4, 5. This is 1. This is 2. This is 3. This is 4. This is 5. This is -1, -2, -3, -4, -5. And this is -1, -2, -3, and -4. Okay, this is X and this is Y. This is negative and this is negative. So first point we have x0, y3, x0, y3 over here. So we will write this point. This is 0, 3. Next we have x4, y0. So this one, 4 and 0. Second point is this. Now join this. We get this line. Now this line divide this plane into two halves. First is this, second is this. So either this plane is the answer or this plane is the answer. So how can we check? We have this 3x plus 4y less than equal to 12. Let this be 1. Then put 0, 0. Put 0, 0 in 1. So we will get 0 is less than equal to 12. So Ikhra, this is correct or not? 0 is less than equal to 12.
Yes, sir, it's correct.
This is correct. Okay. So the region towards the origin is our solution. This one. So region towards the origin is the solution. Okay. So what we will do, we will draw the graph of all these inequation one by one, and then we will shade the common region. Okay, so we have done this one. Now, please note down this, and then we will start with the next one. We will then draw the graph of next one. Okay, so Rishan, you have joined late. So we have just started the graph of linear inequations. In the earlier classes, we have already started that how this graph of linear inequation. So earlier we have drawn the graph of only a single line, single inequation. Now in today's class, we will draw the graph of all the inequations. Okay, so we have started from the first. Method is same. We will write this region represented by this one. Okay, so this is an equation. What was the first step? First of all, we will write the equation. We will plot the point xy. We will put x0, y3. We'll put y0. We'll get x. Now, we'll put the origin in the inequation. As the origin is satisfying this inequation, that's why the region towards the origin is the solution. Okay, Rishan. So this we have already done in our earlier classes. So please note down this, and Rishan, if you have any doubt, then please let me know. Okay. If you have a mic issue, then please reply me on here. I've already sent you the message. Please reply me here if you have any doubt in this. And please note it and confirm. In the next question, Rishan, next question you need to do. Okay, so if you have any doubt, then please ask me. Okay, we have just started this question. So what we have done, we have 4 inequations. We have drawn the graph of one inequation. So on this straight line, please write the inequation so that it will help us to know that which line is for which inequation. Okay, so just write the equation on the number line. Sorry, on this line. Rishan, any doubt in this? Is this clear? Rishan, please driving part, which one? So, okay, I will explain you again. Okay, just give me a minute. Okay, so first of all, Rishan, we will write like this: region represented by this inequation, first one. So first of all, Rishan, we need to write the equation. The inequation is given, but we need to write the equation. Okay, so this is the equation. Now, what you need to do, just draw this box. And this is X and this is Y. So Rishan, what you need to do, put X 0 over here, put 0. So Rishan, what is the value of Y you will get in this? Very good, Y is 3. And Rishan, then put Y0 in this inequation. For the next point, please put Y0. So what the value of X you will get? Very good, this 4. Okay, so Rishan, our one point is this one, 0, 3. Okay, this is the 1 point, 0, 3. Next point is 4, 0. So what we will do, Rishan, we will plot this point. So this point is 0, 3 and this is 4, 0. So we have joined this point and we get this straight line. This clear, Rishan? Okay, so now this line divide this plane into two parts, this one or this one. Okay, so this part is towards the origin and this is away from the origin. Now what we will do, we will check that this part is the solution or this part. So what we will do, we will put 0, 0, put 0, 0 in 3x plus 4y less than equal to 12. Okay, so put 0, 0 in this. So what you will get, 0 plus 0 is less than equal to 12. So this will give us 0 is less than equal to 12. So Rishan, this is true or false? 0 is less than equal to 12 or not? Rishan's false? No, 0 is less than. Okay, this sign means less than or equal to. So either 0 is less than or equal to. So 0 is less than 12. So this is correct. Okay, so 0 is less than 2, which is true, hence the region towards the origin, towards the origin is the solution. So you need to keep in mind that towards the origin, it's mean this part. So we'll just shade with a dotted. This is our solution. Vishan, this is clear. Rishan, this clear? That writing part, which one? This one. Rishan, this one? Okay. Rishan, this is clear that 0 is less than equal to 12. Okay, we have put the origin over here and finally we get 0, which is less than equal to 12. Okay. Now, so this is true. 0 is less than 12. That's why we have written this, which is true. Now, this line has divided this plane into two parts. Let this be part 1 and this be part 2. So our solution is either part 1 or part 2. So how can we check? We will put the origin. We will put the origin. So origin is satisfying this inequation. That's why the region having the origin. The region having the origin is the solution. So this region is the solution. Why this is the solution? Because in this region, the origin exists. Okay, Rishan? Rishan, now is it clear? Okay. Very good. Now, similarly, please draw the graph of, now similarly, please draw the graph of this inequation, and this. So, okay, let's start with the second. Please draw the graph of second one. 4x plus 3y is less than equal to 12 on the same graph. Okay, note down this graph, and on the same graph, please draw this inequation and tell me the answer that which part is your solution. Okay, please do this. Safan, you are, I guess, 20 minutes late.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so Safan, you have done the homework?
No, sir, sorry.
Do you have done the homework?
No, sir.
No, okay, not
What
an issue.
was the homework?
I guess I've given you the miscellaneous as well as the second exercise, 9.2.
9.2.
I'm sorry, linear inequation, exercise 2.
Sir, you already gave exercise 1 and 2 as homework long back.
Yeah, so do you have completed the second one?
Not completely, sir.
Okay, that's you need to do. Okay, not an issue. So we have started the next topic of linear inequation, and then you have a complete week. Then please try to complete the homework. Okay. Ikhra and Yusra, please confirm me once
Sir?
you. Yep.
When I finished this, I substituted the values for the second inequation. I'm
Okay.
getting same as 0 is less than or greater to
Very
12.
good. Very good. So
So
the points you are getting are 0, 4 and 3, 0. Am I correct?
yes, sir.
Yeah. So it's mean the region towards the origin will be the solution. Okay. So in the same graph, draw the line, write the equation on it, and just write the region towards the origin will be the solution.
Okay, sir.
Okay, so Safan, we have already started the graph of linear inequation some days back. Now, in that class, we have just drawn the graph of a single linear inequation. Now our question is, we have a 4 inequation and we need to draw the graph of these 4 inequation on the same graph. So how we need to start it? We just first need to write the region represented by this inequation. Then the same method which we have discussed earlier, that first we need to write the equation. Okay, so after that, put x is equal to 0 over here. So Safan, what the value of y we will get?
So forward
If we put a 0 over here in place of x, then what is the value of y?
3,
Very good, 3. And in place of y, if we put 0, then what is x?
4.
X is 4. So we get the 0, 3 and 4, 0.
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah.
Now, so we will plot these 2 points, 0, 3 and 4, 0. Okay, you need to draw this graph and on it plot this point. This is 0, 3, this is 4, 0. Now join these 2 points. So you get this straight line. Okay, Safan?
Yes, sir.
Okay, then on this line, please write the equation. It will help us later on. This is the graph of this line. So please write 3x plus 4y is equal to 12. Now this line has divided this plane into two halves, 1 and 2, into two parts, 1 and 2. So either part 1 is the solution or part 2 is the solution. Okay.
Okay.
So how can we check that which part is the solution? We will take any point from any of the part, first or second. This is our choice. We can take any of the point. So normally we take the origin, as it will reduce our calculation. Everything becomes zero, so our calculation reduce. So in this case, we will take origin, put origin in this line. So put this point, 0 plus 0 is less than equal to 12. This will gives you 0 is less than equal to 12. So Safan, this is correct or not?
Yes, sir.
This is correct. 0 is less than equal to 12. This is true or false?
True. Sir. No, yeah, true, sir.
This is true. 0 is less than equal to 12. So this is true. This means the region having the origin will be our solution. Okay, so the region having the origin will be our solution. So this means this region is the solution for this inequation. Okay, Rishan? Sorry, Safan.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so please note down, Safan, this, and on the same graph, please draw the second one, second inequation. Okay, so then Ikhra and Yusra and Rishan, did you draw the second graph?
Yes, sir.
Okay, very good. Then please draw the third one, x is greater than equal to 0.
So, sir, in all of the parts, we have to do this, put 0 and 0.
0 and 0 if that line do not lie on the origin. Okay, so if there is a line which lie on the origin, then you can't take that. Then you need to take any other point which lie on any other region.
Okay, sir.
Okay, so please try to do this, and then I will help you in completing this question. Rishan, do you have drawn the graph for the second inequation? Confused. Okay. Not the issue. Safan, shall I rub this? You have noted this part?
1 second. Sir.
Oh, okay. Hmm. Rishan, sorry, Safan. Now can I rub it?
Yes, sir.
Okay, thank you. Okay. Now we will draw the graph of second inequation. Region represented by 4x plus 3y is less than equal to 12. So how we need to do this? First of all, we will write the 4x plus 3y is equal to 12. We will write the equation. Then we will take a point 0 in x. So Safan, what y we will get?
4.
Very good. And we'll take y0. What is x?
3.
3. Very good. So we get the point 0 comma 4. So 0 comma 4 means this one. And 3 comma 0. 3 comma 0 means this one. 3 comma 0. Now we will draw the straight line. Now we will join these 2 points. Okay, and we get this straight line. On this line, please write the equation. This is 4x plus 3y. 4x plus 3y is equal to 12. Now, again, this line divide this plane into 2 parts, first and second. So from the first and second part, we can take any of the point. So it is better to take the origin as it will reduce our calculation. Okay. So put 0 comma 0, put 0 comma 0 in 4x plus 3y less than equal to 12. Okay, put origin in this one. So what answer we will get? We'll get 0 is less than equal to 12. So Safan, this is true or false?
True, sir.
Which is true. Hence region towards the origin, hence region towards the origin is the solution. Hence the region towards the origin is the solution. Okay, so this means this part, this is the line. So over here, this one will be our solution. Okay, Rishan, now this is clear. Okay, very good. So now please try to do the graph of x is greater than equal to 0. So Ikhra and Yusra, do you have drawn the graph of x is greater than equal to 0?
So I couldn't.
Okay, not issue. Yusra?
Same here, sir.
Okay, not issue. We will discuss this. Okay. Safan and Rishan, please confirm me if you have noted this so that we can start the third one. Rishan, can I repeat? Shall we start next?
Yes, sir.
Okay, Rishan. Okay, thank you. Okay, so we will start with the next one. Next, region represented by x is greater than equal to 0. So first of all, we will write x is equal to 0. Now, Yusra, can you tell me that x is equal to 0? So what is the graph of x is equal to 0?
So it will be the origin.
No, not origin. Always remember x is equal to 0 represent the y-axis. Okay. Always remember x is equal to 0 represent the y-axis. But in case in exam, if you forgot it, in exam, if you forget it, then please do like this. X plus 0 is equal to 0. Any doubt?
No, sir.
No, sir.
No. Okay, so can we write 0 into y?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay, Rishan, Safan, Abdullah. This is okay if you write 0 into y? It will not change it will not change the equation. Equation is x is equal to 0 and we still have x is equal to 0. Okay, Safan, is this okay?
Yes, sir.
Okay, then we will draw this table. This is x and this is y. Okay, then suppose if we put 0, Safan, then what? No, do like this. Okay, Safan, if we will put y is equal to 1, then what is the value of x?
0,
If we put y2, then what is the value of x?
0,
If we put y3, what is the value of x?
0.
0. Okay, if you have any doubt in the exam, then please do like this. Otherwise, always remember x is equal to 0 represent the y-axis. Okay, now we get this point x0 y1, it's mean this, x0 y2, it's mean this, x0 y3, and this. So if we join these 3 points, then we get the y-axis. This clear? So if we join these points, then we will get a y-axis. So we will highlight this one. Okay, so our answer is this one, y-axis. Now Yusra, Ikhra, Safan, and Rishan, this is clear.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
I had written x plus 0 into y plus 0, but I couldn't find the solution.
Okay, and not an issue. So always remember x is equal to 0 represent the y-axis, or do like this. So we get a y-axis. Now this line has divided the plane into two halves, this one and this one. This has divided the plane into two halves, this and this. Now this line is passing through the origin. So now we can't put the origin. We can't put the origin as the line is passing through the origin. Okay, so we can take any of the point. So from the right side or left side, it's your choice to take any of the point. So can we take this? What is this point, Yusra? What is this point?
Which point, sir?
This one, this one, this. Can you see my cursor? This.
Oh, sorry,
This
I couldn't
one.
see your cursor.
Okay, I'm sorry. Then this is 1,0.
Oh, okay, yes.
Okay, so this line has divided the plane into two halves, this part and this part. So from this part we will take this point 1,0. Now we will put 1,0 in x is greater than equal to 0. So there is no y, there is only x. So we'll get 1 is greater than equal to 0. Now Yusra, this is true or false? 1 is greater than equal to 0.
Yes, sir. True.
This true. Okay, so which is true, hence the region having 1,0 is the solution, okay. So it's mean on the right side, this represent the right part. So iska solution, what is the solution of this? On the right side, whatever the region you have, that is the solution. So we have drawn the graph of this, x is greater than equal to 0. Now similarly, please draw the graph of y is greater than 0 and confirm me. Then finally we will shade our final answer. Okay, so Rishan, this is clear? Rishan and Safan?
Yes, sir.
Okay, Rishan? Okay, very good. So please note down this. Then finally draw the graph of y is greater than 0 and confirm me. Rishan, very good. Y is equal to 0 represent the x-axis. Okay, so there are two regions now. above x-axis and below x-axis. So Rishan, please confirm me, above x-axis or below x-axis, which one is the solution? Rishan, very good. Okay, so Rishan, now you get all the solution. Then please try to shade the common region of all these in equation. And when I will do that finally, then you can tell your answer. Okay, so Ikhra, Safan, and Yusra, do you have completed the fourth part?
Doing so.
No, sir.
Okay, okay, please complete it. Safan, this completed?
1 second.
Okay, okay, please do it. Ikhra, Yusra, and Safan, please confirm me if you have done the fourth part. Then we will finally shade the graph. Zero is very, very good, Yusra. Okay, now we will discuss the solution. Safan, the fourth part is done. Safan, you have completed the fourth part.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so Safan, y is equal to 0.
Sir, I completed this part.
Okay, only this. Then please do the fourth part and confirm me. Then we will draw the. Then we will shade the common region.
Done, sir.
Okay, Safan, this y is equal to 0 represent what? X-axis. This clear?
Yes, sir.
And solution is what? Above x-axis or below x-axis?
Below X. No, this part, right?
Above.
X-axis.
Am I correct? Above x-axis?
Yeah, okay.
Oh, okay, if you have any doubt, then I will draw the graph of this. Just give me a minute. Okay, so what we need to do by y is greater than equal to 0. Okay, so first of all, write y is equal to 0. If you have any doubt, then please write 0 into x is equal to 0. Draw this, write xy. So put x0, you will get y0. Put x1, you will get y0. Put x2, you will get y0. So 0, 0, you will join all the points. You get this straight line. Okay. So I guess you don't have any doubt in deciding that we are getting the x-axis. Now, this x-axis, this divide the region into two parts, above and below the origin. So we have this, what we will do, we will put any point. Now this line is passing through the origin. This is the line and this is passing through origin. So we can't put the origin, okay? If a line is passing through the origin, then we can't put that origin. So put 0, 0, put 0, 0 in this y is greater than, then y is greater than equal to 0. Okay. Now, sorry, put above the origin means 0, 1. Put 0, 1 in y. So 1 is greater than equal to 0, which is true. So above the origin is the solution, which is true, Hence, the region having 1, 0, sorry, 0, 1, 0, 1 is the solution. Okay, now we will shade the common region. Okay, we will shade the common region. Okay. Now we will decide the common region now. This above the x-axis, this right side. It's mean our common solution will lie in the first quadrant. This point is clear. Iqra, Rishan, Safan, and Yusra. This clear that the common region will lie in the first quadrant.
Yes, sir.
Okay, above the origin and the right side. Now, towards the origin means this side. So this part will be our answer. This one. So this is the common solution. So this is our final solution. Okay. Why we have not taken this part? Because this region is not the common one. This region is not there for this line. But we have not taken this one because this is outside this line. This is the common one. So Iqra, Rishan, Safan, and Yusra. Please tell me, this is clear? How we have decided the common region?
Yes, sir.
Okay, Yusra, good. Iqra, Rishan, Safan.
So
Okay, good. Rishan and Iqra. Okay, Iqra, I got your message. Okay, Rishan, very good. So if you don't have any doubt in this, okay, then first of all, shade this graph, shade the common region, and then please we can start the next one. So shall we start next, or do you need to note something from this?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Then please draw the graph of this one. Please draw this graph and let me know your answer. Then we will start the next topic. Okay, please start draw the graph of this, and One by one, confirm me that towards the origin is the solution or which one is the solution. And then finally, we will shade this graph. Please draw one by one and confirm me your answer. Okay, so Ikhra, Yusra, Safan, and Rishan, we have completed the first one. Yusra?
Sir, 5 minutes.
Okay, Jen, and then take your time and confirm me once you have done this. Okay, Ikhra, very good. Towards the origin, good. Okay, so what I will do, I will draw the first straight line so that you can tell your answer. Okay. So this is 0, this is 1, this is 2, this is 3, this is 4, and this is 5. This is 1, this is 2, this is 3, this is 4, this is 5. -1, -2, -3, -4, -5. Now, first point is 0, 5. Next point is 5, 0. There's 0, 5. There's 5, 0. And we will join these 2 points. Okay, we get this straight line. And this is what? X plus 5. This is x plus 5. X plus y is equal to 5. And when we put the origin satisfy this. So towards the origin, it means this is a answer. Okay, so please confirm me. I got the answer from Ikhra and Yusra, Safani, Rishan. Can you confirm me you are getting this straight line?
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Yes, sir.
okay, good. Rishan, you are getting this straight line? Okay, okay, very good. Now similarly, please draw the graph of second one and confirm me.
Sir, second one is the line parallel to the axis.
Parallel to x-axis, second one or third one?
Second one.
No, 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 not even third one. No.
Sir, x1, y will be 4, right?
Okay, let me check. So we have this 4x plus y greater than or equal to 4. So Safan, you're talking about this one?
Sir, I wrote
Uh,
the equation.
okay, second is this.
Yeah, yeah, okay.
Okay, please correct your answer. And if anyone has drawn the graph, then please share your answer. Okay, so you get 1, 0 and 0, 4. Very good. And towards origin, we need to check this. Okay, anyone has get this answer? Second one. Ikhra, Yusra, Rishan.
No, sir, I'm doing it.
Okay, 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 not an issue. So I will draw this. This is xy. Put x0, you get y4. Put y0, you get x1. Okay. Towards origin, no, 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 not correct. 0, 4 and 1, 0. Okay. So 0, 4. So 0, 4 means this one. And 1, 0 means this one. 0, 4 and 1, 0. Now we need to join this. These are the two lines. Okay, we have done some mistake. So the points are 0, 4. Okay, I'm sorry. This is 0, 4. Next is 1, 0. This is 1, 0. We will join these two. So this one and this one. And this. We join and we get this. Okay, now put, so we have two regions, this and this. So we will put this origin 0, 0 in this one, 4x plus y greater than equal to 4. So 0 is greater than equal to 4. So Yusra, can you tell me this is true or false?
False.
False. Okay, Ikhra and Safan, 0 is not greater than 4. Okay. Ikhra, this clear? So this is not the solution. The right side one, this will be the solution. This one. Okay, so for this line, this is not the solution, this is the solution. So we will write the equation first of all, 4x plus y is equal to 4. So this side will be our answer. Okay, now please draw the graph for this, for the third one, and similarly for this and this, and share your answer. First of all, draw the graph for the third one and share your answer. Next is 0, 1 and 5, 0. Very good. Okay, Safan, and can you tell me the region?
Same region, sir.
Towards the origin or away from the origin?
Towards the origin.
Towards the origin. Why?
So what is towards the origin and away from the origin?
Okay. So, Safan, we are taking the example of this case. So if we put origin in this is 4x plus y is equal to 4. So this line divide this plane into two half, right side and the left. Okay, Safan, this is the line. This is one part and this is another part. So in the left side, there is a origin. Am I correct?
Yes.
So if we put this origin in this inequation and this do not satisfy, this origin do not satisfy this inequation, then this means this region is not the answer. If this is not the answer, then the right one will be our answer. This is a line. There are two parts. First is, I will take another page. Just give me a minute. We have these x and y axis. Suppose we have this straight line, Safan. Now this is one and this is region two. So Safan, can you tell me the origin is in which part? Part first or part second?
Part first.
Safan, this is the origin. This is in part one or part two?
Part two.
Part two. Okay, so if origins satisfy this inequation, so for example, we have this inequation x plus y is less than equal to 6, for example. Okay, so if origin satisfy this, 0 is less than equal to 6. If origin satisfy, then this complete region will be the answer. If origin satisfy the inequation, then this complete will be the answer. So we will say that which region is the answer? The region having the origin is the answer. Safan, now this clear that what we are saying that towards the origin or away from the origin. This clear now?
If the origin is in part 2, then is
Origin is in part 2.
okay.
Okay.
Then
So yeah.
what do we?
So if origin satisfy the inequation, then the region having the origin is our solution. So this is the region which is having the origin. So second region will be the solution. Second region is the solution, or we can say the region having origin. The region having origin is the solution. Safan, this clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, we will take another case. Let the equation be. Let the equation be this one. X plus y greater than equal to 6. Okay. So Safan, put this 0 is greater than equal to 6, which is true or false?
False.
False. So this means the region having the origin is not the solution. If this is false, then this region is not the solution. What happens if this is not the solution? Then this one is the solution. This is clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so we will write for this case the region do not having origin. Do not having origin is the solution. Okay, now we will check our question. Okay, so the third one, 0 is greater than equal to 5. So we were discussing about this. So 0 is greater. This is not the solution. Just give me a minute for the third one. Third one. Third is x plus 5y is greater than equal to 5. Okay. So put the points. Xy, x0, y1, y0, x5. So we get this point. Sorry, 0, 1. This one, 0, 1. And second is 5, 0. So 5, 0 means this one, these 2 points. So we will join these 2 points. Okay, so this equation is what? X plus 5y is equal to 5. Now, Safan, please tell me that towards the origin is the solution for this, or the region which do not have the origin? Safan?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, so please put origin in this and tell me the region having the origin is a solution, or the region which do not have the solution. Safan?
Yes, sir.
So put in this 0 plus 0 is greater than equal to 5. So 0 is greater than 5. Okay, so Safan, this is true or false? 0 is greater than 5? False.
Yeah.
Which is false. Now this is the line. Okay, this is the line. This divides the region into this part and this part. This is towards the origin and this is away from the origin. So towards the origin.
Towards the origin and what is the
Safan, this is a line. Okay, so this is dividing this
I
region.
can't
Suppose,
see, sir. You are just telling.
okay. Let me just give me a minute.
Sir, actually, your cursor is very small.
Okay. I'm sorry. Now this clear.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so I'm talking about this line. Okay, this one. So this line divide the plane into 2 parts. This is the part 1 and this is the part 2. 1 and 2. So this part 1, so origin is present in Safan part 1 or part 2?
Part 2.
Part 2. This is the origin, Safan. This is the origin. So this is part 1 and this is 2. So origin is present in which part?
Part 1.
Part 1. Now, origin satisfy the inequation or not?
Yes.
Safan. This is true or false?
So that is false.
So origin satisfy the equation or not?
No.
No. So it's mean this region is not the solution. If this is not, then which is the solution? This one. So we will write which is false, hence the region, which do not have the origin is the solution. So for this line, origin do not satisfy. That's why the other region which do not, this region do not have the origin. Okay, so this region is the solution. Now this is clear, Safan?
Yes.
Yes. Okay, so anyone have doubt in this?
No, sir.
No.
No, sir.
Okay, Rishan, this clear? Rishan, please reply me on the chat box. And Yusra and Ikhra, okay, very good. So Yusra, Ikhra, and Rishan, do you have completed the graph, drawn the graph of this fourth one?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Okay. So can you tell me what's the graph of x is less than equal to 4? This is parallel to what? Parallel to x-axis or parallel to y-axis?
Parallel to x-axis.
Parallel to
Y.
x-axis. Parallel to y-axis. Very good. Towards the origin or away from the origin?
So I haven't solved it yet.
Okay. Please draw the graph of fourth part and confirm me your answer. Then we will finally sheet this. Okay. Please complete this x is less than equal to 4 and then complete y is less than equal to 3. So, okay. First of all, complete x is less than equal to 4. Okay. Okay, Rishan, I will help you in this. So we will draw the graph. Okay, so next is x is less than equal to 4. So you need to write this x is equal to 4. So always remember x is equal to 4 means parallel to y-axis. But if you have any doubt, then as we have discussed the previous case, then do like that only. Write x plus 0 is equal to 4. Then write y into 0. Okay. And put any value of y. For example, put y1, you will get x4. Put y2, you will get x4. Put y3, you will get x4, which does not have the origin is the solution. Okay, we will check. Now, The points are, this is 4. Okay, so 4 comma 1, 4 comma 1 will lie here, 4 comma 2 lie here, 4 comma 3 lie here, 4 comma 4 lie here. Okay, then what we will do, we will join all these points and we will get the equation like this. We get this. This is what x is less than equal to, x is less than equal to 4. Sorry, x is equal to 4. We will join this line. This is x is equal to 4. Okay, so Rishan, we get this line. So towards the origin is the solution, or away from the origin, we have this x is less than equal to 4. We can put the origin over here. 0 is less than equal to 4, which is true or false, Rishan? Rishan, this is true or false? 0 is less than equal to 8. Rishan, this true or false? True. So it's mean towards the origin. Okay, this is the line. This is the towards the origin. So this part on the right side will be the answer, towards the origin. So right towards the origin, towards the origin will be the solution. Will be the solution. Rishan, now this point is clear. Okay, now the last one is y is less than equal to 3. Please draw the graph of this, Rishan, and confirm me, then we will shade the common region. Okay, then we will shade the common one. Please draw the graph of this one, y is less than equal to 3. Okay, we will do the last one and then we will finally shade the graph. Okay. Now the last one is y is less than equal to 3. We will write y is equal to 3. So this is parallel to, okay, we will draw the same. Okay, just write y plus 0 into x is equal to 3. Put value of x 1, 2, 3. You will get y3, 3, and 3. So x1, y3. x1, y3, you get this. x2, y3, you get this. So this is parallel to x-axis. So just keep it. So this is parallel to x-axis. This is the line. Okay. Now towards the origin or away from the origin, if we will put 0, then 0. Okay, if we put 0, then 0 satisfy this. So it's mean 0 is less than equal to 3. So this is the solution. So towards the origin is the solution. So this is the line y is equal to 3. Okay, we get all the lines. Now we can shade the graph. Now, how can we shade that? Y is equal to 3 towards the origin. So upper part will be ignored. We will just focus on the lower part. Now this one, x is equal to 4 towards the origin. So this part will be ignored. Okay, just give. Now on left side and downwards. Now for this line, x plus y is less than 5 towards the origin was the answer. For this one, right side, for this upper part. So for this lower and for this towards the origin, for this left side, for this upper above part, and for this right side. So we get this one. This complete is the common. This complete is the common solution. So this is clear, Ikhra, Rishan, Safan, and Yusra. Ikhra, you are getting the same
Yes,
answer?
sir.
Okay,
Yes,
very
sir.
good. Very good. Safan? Safan, this clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, Rishan? Clear? Okay, very good. So Hadia, I'm not sure about you. You have joined late. So if you have any doubt, then you can message me. Okay, so this was the last topic of linear inequation. So do you want to do another question of this type, or do we start a new chapter? I guess we will try one more question.
Yes,
Okay,
sir.
then from the next week, we will start a new chapter. Okay. So just for this one. Okay, and one more thing, always remember, if this is greater than equal to 0, in the previous all examples, in the previous all questions, the inequality was greater than and equal to 0. That's why the straight line which we were drawing, we were darking the straight line. But if this is only greater than, then we will draw the straight line with a dotted line. Okay, so please draw the graph. Again, draw one by one and share your answer. Then we will shade the common region. Okay, please draw the graph one by one. Okay, Rishan, I was saying that in all the previous questions, what the graph we have drawn, just give me a minute. Just give me a minute. For example, in this question, these straight lines, we have darking this. Okay, because in all the inequalities, we have equal to. In all the inequalities, we have this equal to. That's why we have drawn this line and darken this. But if we have only x is less than 4, then we will draw this line by the dotted one. Like this. This clear, Rishan? Okay, okay. Then please try continue this question. 22. What is your question, Rishan? If box X first value will be 1 or 0. Okay, just give me a minute. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay, so for the first one, we have this 3x plus 4y is equal to 12. Okay, so we will draw this box. Always, okay, very good, Ikhra, this is correct. Vishan, always put x0, you will get y3, then put y0, you will get x4. This clear, Ishan? Okay, good. So our points are 0, 3. So 0, 3 lie over here. Next is 4, 0. 4, 0 means here. Okay. Now join these points. Join these points. You will get this straight line. And we have this 3x plus 4y greater than equal to 12. Greater than equal to 12. Okay, if you will put the origin 0 is greater than equal to 12, which is false. So this side will be your solution. Okay. Now similarly draw the graph y is equal to 1. Okay, please draw the second graph y is greater than equal to 1 and share your answer. Yusra and Ikhra, and you have completed the second one.
Yes, sir. The line is parallel to the x-axis.
Very good. And passing through 1. Okay, good.
Yeah.
Towards the origin or away from the origin? For the second one, Ikhra, towards the origin or away from the origin?
Away from the origin.
Very good. Okay, so for the next one, y is greater than equal to 1. For the second one, y is greater than equal to 1. So y is equal to 1. So we'll draw the graph y plus 0 into x is equal to 1. Okay, draw like this. Is equal to 1. This is xy. Put x1, 2, 3. When x is 1, y is 1, 2, 1, 3, 1. So we get this line 1, 1 over here, x2, y1 here, and 3 over here. So join these points, you will get a straight line like this. Okay, so this equation is what? Y is equal to 1. This equation is what? 3x plus 4y is equal to 12. Okay, so for this one, y is greater than 1 away from the origin. So it's mean upper part, this one. And for this one, 3x plus 4y is greater than equal to 12. And for this also, we have this part. Now draw x is greater than equal to 0. Okay, so x is greater than equal to 0 means x is equal to 0. We need to draw this graph. So x is equal to 0 graph we have already done. So how we need to do this? This
It will be
represent a,
parallel to the y-axis.
yeah, this is actually a y-axis. X is equal to 0 means y-axis.
Yes, yes, sir.
Okay, we have already done this. So x is equal to 0 represents a y-axis. Okay, Iqra, can you tell me? Okay, we can't put the origin. So we have this point. Either left side will be the answer or right side. So we'll put this 1 comma 0. We'll put 1 comma 0 in x is greater than equal to 0. So 1 is greater than equal to 0, which is true or false?
True.
True.
It
So
is
what is the common solution? We will shade the common one. So for this one, upper part, okay. For this one, this part, and for this one, right part. So this means this. This will be our solution. Okay, Iqra, you are getting the same answer?
Yes, sir.
Okay, very good. Yusra, this correct?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Rishan, Safan.
Yes, sir.
Safan, I guess you have some doubt in this. Is there any doubt?
No, sir.
Okay, good. Okay, Rishan, this clear? Okay. Very good. Okay, so this was our last topic. Now this chapter is complete. So please try to do all the questions, and in the next class, if you have any doubts, then we will discuss the doubts and we will start with the complex number. So just give me a minute. I will give you the homework. Homework is complete NCERT, including miscellaneous, all exercises, complete NCERT. Okay, complete chapter from the NCERT. Now from the assignment, just give me a minute. From the assignment one, please note down the questions. Assignment one. Okay. Question number 1, 2. I have already given you the homework. I just want to cross check it. You need to complete 1 to 13. Then assignment 2. From assignment 2, you need to do the complete questions 1 to 7. Assignment 3. Assignment 3, you need to do the question number 1, then 3, 4, and 5. Okay. So this is your homework. Please complete it, and in the next week we will start with the complex number. Okay, then thank you. Okay, you're welcome.
Thank you, sir. Sir, I'm
Okay.
not able to access the assignments and tests.
Okay. Iqra, can you message Nishkar, sir?
Okay, sir.
Okay, and I will also ask him to share the assignments with you.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Okay, you're welcome. Okay, Hadia, this is your first class? Okay, not issue. In next class, we will continue. Okay.